Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Von Duprin number 900892. This is a package of 4. There are only 3 screws here. I have one removed from the packaging of center case cover screws. So on a 33, 35, 98, 99, you're going to have screws that will hold the center case in place. There's 4 of them, 2 on the outside and then 2 on the inside, and they do have a finish to them because they do need to match the finish of the device itself. So this is the US10 finish. Okay, you know, looking at it in the right light, it certainly does reflect a US10 or a 612, a bronze type finish. Okay. And these screws are necessary. They are easy to remove by anyone. They are easy to lose by everyone. So be mindful that people buy these because, well, they've lost them, and here it is. Okay, take some basic dimensional properties of it. And the reason it's listed for the 33, 35, 98, 99 is because it will work on any of those 4 devices. Very little difference between them, from a top-level category type scenario. Overall length of the screw is going to be 0.358. 0.358 overall length of the screw. I'm going to say that it's a number 8 screw. The outside diameter of the head is 0.302. 0.302. It's an undercut head. See how it flattens out down here? That's what is called undercut, where it is countersunk but then flattens out, and that permits it to get installed down onto a very thin base material, like a scalp plate or a center case cover plate for a piece of hardware. The outside diameter of the threads, 0.164. 0.164 on the outside diameter. Also has a thread cutting feature to the tip of the screw that allows it to cut threads as it goes into something. In this case, it would be some steel, some light gauge, relatively light gauge steel is what it's going into. Okay, you do have to select the different finish that you want because you don't want bronze if it's satin chrome and vice versa. There is a link, there are 2 links actually below this video to the manufacturer's page that will allow you to review the 33A, 35A, and the 98 and 99 series manuals from the manufacturer. The point of that is if you were to perform a find function on your keyboard, you're going to get to that area where you can locate the screw. You'll see it in the parts drawing. You'll see it where it lies in relationship to the other pieces. And what's really most important about that is the other pieces. It's likely you need the center case cover as well, or you need some other fasteners, and quite frankly, much of what manufacturers like this use are fasteners specific to the application that you may not be able to replicate elsewhere. The point of the matter is the parts diagram is there for you to be able to come up with possibly the other items that you would need to satisfy the requirements of getting your device back up to a faithful, serviceable level of operation. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Von Duprin products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. I'm very partial when it comes to Von Duprin because of the expert level of technical support that they provide me time and time again. Okay. The fact that they publish those documents so that you can continue to get useful service out of the significant investment in X device hardware, I think is a solid reason why you might want to consider them as well. Any questions on the Von Duprin 900892 screw in a US10 finish or any other Von Duprin product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.